Hi everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel, and here in this episode you are learning how to create this Pooja Hegde's beautiful eye makeup in just 2 steps. Before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and learn a lot more makeup looks and makeup tutorials. We'll learn about how to amplify our look with a lot of blush and highlight, and how she kept her complete makeup look very dewy and glowy. Let's learn this stunning eye makeup tutorial without any delay. I'm using Mars basic palette and taking the first brown shade right here, tapping the excess and holding it just like this because I wanted wing. And softly taking it on the crease. So let's do the same thing on the other eye as well. Hold it near the edge where your both lash line meets. Close your eyes and just start filling the color and brushing it softly. Again, take a soft arch to your crease line. It's up to you how much color or the pigment that you want. You have to make sure both are even. I'm going to use a flat brush. Do the same thing for the inner V corner. Why? You can't use a fluffy brush here because just go and follow the arch. Now, go and take any bronze shade of your choice. This is a very good palette to create this look. I'm mixing the gold and copper, both a little bit to get that shine. Now I need to take a close-up look with a small mirror and press the product into the skin. And apply it throughout the center of the lid. There you go. She's really got a very thick eyebrow. So let's go with the eyebrow. The reason for a heavy eyebrow is because there is no kajal, if you see. You can use a brown kajal, but this is what I'm doing. I'm taking the same shade of brown on a small angular brush here, and this adding it to the waterline. I want a very thin stroke of kajal here. Let's go 2 to 3 coats of mascara. and set the brow as well with mascara. She's done lot of blush and lots of highlighter. So on the chin, cheeks, nose corner, and the forehead, and a little bit on the eyebrow arch as well. Okay, now comes the lips. Now here for the lips, she's added a peach tone shade. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use only the lip pencil to get that peach tone. So here she is wearing her chunky jewelries, which I'll also be adding it right away and get back to you. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to create the stunning Pooja Hegde's eye makeup look. Do try this look and comment what kind of makeup look you want to see next. Share this video to all the makeup lovers that you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification on all the future videos. And every Friday you will have a new tutorial, so why don't we learn and enhance our look in 2026. See you soon with another look.